Hello everyone, I'm Thai but I would prefer to have European food, and my favorite European menu is pepperoni pizza. It has a circular shape, it's salty and tastes good dish, but it's fast food. There are many ingredients such as dough for making pizza, tomato ketchup, pepperoni, mozzarella cheese, oregano. Anyway, today I'm going to cook special menu. It's chicken curry soup with massaman curry paste and coconut milk. I love this menu because it has a good flavor and it's creamy and the chicken is very soft, plus there are soft fried potato. That is chicken massaman curry or gang massaman gai. There are 9 ingredients on following. For the ingredients: 1. Chicken, 2. Massaman curry paste, 3. Potato, 4. Coconut sugar, 5. Onion, 6. Salt, 7. Coconut milk, 8. Fish sauce, 9. Oil. First, heat a pot. Add coconut milk. Simmer for a while until boiling. Add curry paste and simmer until the coconut milk separates. Next, add chicken and stir fry to mix with the curry paste. Add water and stir fry to mix with the curry paste. Then add sliced potato. Stir fry to mix with the curry paste. Add fish sauce. Salt and coconut sugar. After, add chopped onion. Wait 1 hour for the chicken and potatoes to be tender. Finally, turn off the gas stove and prepare the dish to serve. Enjoy eating. Goodbye.